broke down on the ship and were lashed to the ship for 19 hours and then got rescued. Go home. Some wine delivery to keep us going for the week. Keep people with us.
Boom, boom, tick, 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 yeah, 5-9, yo. I'm the verbal spit, Smith Wesson. I unload with 6 spit, the quick wit could split a split second. A bomb with a lit wit expression. You hear it tick, tick, then you test it. My saliva and spit, the split thread and the fiber and bit. So trust me, I'm as live as it gets. Everybody claimed it the best and they had the throne since Big is gone. If you ask me, they dead wrong. My flow is hotter than the flash from the click when the hammer slaps the bullet on the ass from the clip. You wind up in a room full of my dogs. I have you feeling like a fire hydrant in a room full of dogs. So come now, get pissed on, shitted on. Tough talk turns to can't we all just get along. You get blazed when the mic's off, shot when it's on. You probably ducked when they laid the gunshot in your song. My gun stutters when it speaks to you. Other shit to repeat to you. Nothing to clip to give a speech to you. Me and Premier.
Close.